Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, there lived an honest and hardworking farmer named John. John was known throughout the village for his diligence and dedication to his land. He owned a vast farm where he cultivated crops and raised animals with great care. John had 3 sons, James, Michael, and Thomas. However, unlike their father, the 3 sons were known for their laziness and reluctance to work on the farm. As John grew older and felt the weight of years upon him, he became concerned about the future of his farm. One day, he called his 3 sons to his bedside and said, "My dear children, I have something important to tell you. In our land, beneath the soil of this very farm, there lies a hidden treasure. When I pass on, I want you to search for it diligently. It will bring prosperity to you and ensure the future of our farm." Upon their father's passing, James, Michael, and Thomas were eager to find the treasure. They believed that their days of hardship would soon be over. With shovels and determination, they began digging up every inch of their father's land, convinced that riches awaited them just beneath the surface. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months, but despite their exhaustive efforts, the treasure remained elusive. The brothers dug up fields, overturned rocks, and even dug deep into the earth, but all in vain. As they grew weary and discouraged, they realized that their father's words might not have been about material wealth after all. Through their relentless labor, something unexpected began to happen. James, Michael, and Thomas, who had once been lazy and unmotivated, started to appreciate the value of hard work. They learned the patience required to nurture crops and the satisfaction of seeing the fruits of their labor. Gradually, their laziness melted away, replaced by a newfound sense of responsibility and purpose. One evening, as the sun set over the horizon, the brothers gathered under the old oak tree where their father used to tell them stories. They reflected on their journey and realized that the real treasure their father had spoken of was not buried in the ground but in the lessons he had imparted to them, the virtues of diligence, perseverance, and the love for the land. With their newfound wisdom, James, Michael, and Thomas dedicated themselves wholeheartedly to the farm. They repaired fences, improved irrigation systems, and experimented with new farming techniques. The farm flourished under their care, becoming a beacon of productivity and prosperity in the village. Years passed, and the 3 brothers became respected figures in the community. They honored their father's memory by upholding his legacy of hard work and integrity. The farm continued to thrive, providing abundant harvests year after year, and the brothers found fulfillment in carrying on their father's vision. And so, the story of John the farmer and his 3 sons teaches us that true treasure lies not in material wealth alone but in the values we hold dear and the legacy we leave behind. It is a tale of transformation, from laziness to industry, and from uncertainty to purpose. As the sun sets over the fertile fields of their farm, James, Michael, and Thomas know that they have found their father's treasure, the enduring legacy of a life well lived.